How many models of civil engineering outsourcing should you really know? Most assume one or two, but there are actually four, and overlooking them can cost far more than project delays or budget overruns. It can affect quality, scalability, and the ability to seize opportunities your team is fully capable of delivering. This guide does more than list options. It explores how each framework works in practice and how to select the one that aligns with your firm's goals, whether you are managing a 50-acre subdivision in California or an urban transit corridor expansion. To understand why outsourcing decisions succeed or fail, it is essential to view them not as one-off transactions but as strategic levers for operational stability. Civil engineering firms often cycle between extremes of overwork and underutilization. Teams push beyond capacity during bidding surges, then face downtime when projects pause. These fluctuations aren't a reflection of skill. They are signs of misaligned structures. The right outsourcing model can break this cycle and allow resources to be allocated with precision. The first model, project-based outsourcing, is ideal for specialized deliverables with defined scope and schedule. Consider a mixed-use development that requires advanced stormwater modeling beyond the internal team's capacity. Rather than passing on the opportunity, the firm can engage a partner for that single task and receive a fully developed solution ready for submission. AXA Engineers has completed hundreds of subdivision layouts and large-scale grading plans under this model, proving how targeted collaboration ensures technical accuracy without long-term overhead. The second model, staff augmentation, provides a seamless way to integrate additional expertise directly into the firm's operations. Instead of outsourcing an entire project, an external engineer works within the client's environment, using the same CAD standards, quality protocols, and reporting systems. AXA Engineers offers engineers who are trained to adapt quickly to different workflows, ensuring that production schedules are maintained and quality standards upheld even during peak workloads. The third model, managed services, represents a more comprehensive approach. In this setup, an entire function such as CAD production or drainage design is delegated to a dedicated partner that manages both staffing and technology. This model eliminates the need to invest in software licensing, recruitment, and training for that function. AXA Engineers, recognized by Autodesk for its extensive use of Civil 3D, has implemented this arrangement for clients needing continuous drafting support, ensuring both consistency and cost predictability across multiple projects. The fourth element, geographic models, acts as a modifier for the previous three. Engagements can be structured as onshore, nearshore, or offshore, each affecting response time, cost levels, and communication windows. AXA Engineers supports US and Australian clients by aligning teams across compatible time zones, providing real-time coordination and avoiding the delays that often arise in offshore-only setups. Understanding these four models is the first step, but selecting the right one requires assessing current pain points and mapping them to the structure that provides the best balance of control, expertise, and efficiency. Is the issue inconsistent workload, lack of specialized skills, or the challenge of scaling quickly without adding permanent staff? Each model solves a different bottleneck, and the correct match determines how effectively projects advance from concept to completion. Ultimately, the critical question is not which model exists, but which model solves your biggest challenge today. Pinpoint the stage in your workflow where momentum slows, then match it to the framework that directly addresses it. AXA Engineers has demonstrated how flexible engagement structures, advanced tools, and proven workflows can adapt to client needs without compromising quality. Choose strategically, and outsourcing evolves from a reaction to resource shortages into a proactive tool for consistent project delivery.